To maximize the value of your Bonvoy points, Marriott gives you two options, a 5-night stay or a 7-night stay. The important thing you have to know about these 5 or 7-night stays is that you cannot break them up. They have to be done in consecutive nights. In other words, you can't stay in multiple hotels in a specific city. Let's take a closer look at how these hotel travel packages work. On the left-hand side, you're going to notice hotel categories 1 through 8. A little into the middle, you're going to notice that it says 50,000 miles, and next to it, it says 100,000 miles. So if we were to take a category 1 through 4 hotel, and we wanted to use 195,000 Bonvoy points to stay 5 nights, it would give us 50,000 air miles. Now, if we wanted to stay 5 nights and get 100,000 air miles, it would require 270,000 Bonvoy points. And let's take a category 8 hotel as the next example. If we wanted to stay in a category 8 hotel, it would require 475,000 Bonvoy points, but it would give us 50,000 air miles. If we wanted 100,000 air miles, it would require 550,000 Bonvoy points. Now let's take a look at 7-night packages. Category 1 through 4, 255,000 Bonvoy points would equal 50,000 air miles. 330,000 Bonvoy points would equal 100,000 air miles. If we wanted to stay in a Category 6 hotel for 7 nights, it would require 435,000 Bonvoy miles to get us 50,000 air miles. And it would require 510,000 Bonvoy points to get us 100,000 air miles. Here are some of our Category 1 through 4 hotels which require the least amount of Bonvoy points but give you the most amount of air miles. Here are Category 5 and 6 hotels. They are well worth the extra points because you have the elite benefits you will receive when staying there. Category 5 requires 310,000 Bonvoy points and you receive 100,000 air miles. Category 6 for 7 nights requires 510,000 Bonvoy points and you receive 100,000 air miles. Category 7 and 8, these are our most opulent and luxurious hotels around the world. They are certainly worth the Bonvoy points it takes to stay. Category 7 and 5 nights requires 430,000 Bonvoy points and you receive 100,000 air miles. If you really want to spoil yourselves, stay in our Category 8 hotels. They are truly what dreams are made of. Live life to the fullest.